Bhavesh, you have to tell me what is the meaning of personal hygiene. What do you mean by personal hygiene? You can speak in your own words.
खुद की रक्षा
Bhavesh will give me answer. Sorry, Dishant. Dishant will give me answer. Okay, Dishant, no problem. Doha, can you give me answer? What do you mean by personal hygiene? Yes.
खुद की सफाई खुद करना
Very good, very good, Doha. खुद की सफाई खुद करना means you to keep yourself clean, to keep your own self clean. That is called personal hygiene. Okay. Now let's move ahead. What are the good habits we follow to keep ourselves clean? What are the good habits which we follow to keep ourselves clean? Arnav Badekar. I will ask, tag each one of you. Yes, Arnav? One good habit.
I bath every day.
You bath every day. Very good. Arnav Shevade.
चालू कर जा
Yes, Arnav, I can't hear you. I didn't understood.
Brush your teeth, cut your nails.
Very good. Brush your teeth and cut your nails. Very good. Okay. Trisha Kedare, can you tell me any good habit you follow? खुद की सफाई करने के लिए what is a good habit you do? Bathing हो गया, brushing हो गया, nail cutting हो गया. What else?
नहाने का फिर कौन साफ साफ कपड़े पहनने का बाल बनाने का
Okay, okay, yes. साफ कपड़े पहनने का, like you are saying you have to wear clean clothes, okay, clean and washed clothes, okay, and you have to comb your hair also, right? Yes, Arav Badekar. Arav.
I comb my hair every day.
Yes, very good. I comb my hair every day. Very good, very good. Yes, and Anvi, what you do? What do you do to keep yourself?
Soap, hair oil.
Hair oil and soap. Okay, you clean your hair with soap and hair oil. Yes, Sanchita.
Wash your hands. Rose bathing.
Bathing. Okay, Sanchita, I asked you. Yes. Unmute and speak, beta.
Brush your teeth 2 times.
2 times. Very good. Very important it is. You have to brush your teeth twice a day. 2 बार आपको brush करना है. Once in the morning and at the end of the day. That is at the night when you go for bed. Okay, you have to brush your teeth. Very good, children. So these are the good habits. Now, yes, Vrinda. So to follow these good habits, ठीक है, हमको ये good habits use करने के लिए we use many things. हम बहुत सी चीजें use करते हैं. Okay. Now who will tell me one thing we use for good habit or for personal hygiene? Ayansh Matre. Any one thing.
Haircut.
Nail cutter. Very good. Okay. Vrunda. Vrunda.
ब्रश करना.
टूथब्रश. टूथब्रश. ब्रश कैसे करेंगे हम? किससे करेंगे ब्रश?
टूथब्रश.
टूथब्रश. वेरी गुड. आरव. शिफा खान.
दीदी. Wash your hand was eating.
Wash your hands before eating, right? Yes, Shifa, any one thing you use to keep yourself clean? Okay, I will ask Trisha Shinde. Yes, Trisha?
बातें करना. रोज बातें करना.
Rose bathing karna. Yes. Trisha Shinde, yes.
Soap.
Soap, very good. Sabun, yes, very good. Jagannath, tell me one thing. Jagannath.
मैं खाना होता है तो बोलने का नहीं. मैम.
हाँ.
Go to toilet.
Yes, yes. Yes, Jagannath. Are you there? Okay. Praniti, tell me one thing. Praniti, tell me one thing we use for keeping ourselves clean.
Comb.
Very good, very good. Okay, so children, what we are going to do today, that we will be doing revision. हमने अभी तक जितना सीखा है, we are going to revise from our topic personal hygiene. ठीक है? So now Didi will be sharing her screen. Just a second, children. Yes, so now Didi will be sharing her screen with you and we will see and we are going to solve this. Okay, so think and answer whether the statement is correct or not. Okay, correct or incorrect. ठीक है? So you have to tell me whether जो हम बोल रही है, Didi जो बोल रही है, whether it is correct or not. Whether it is correct or incorrect. You will write your answer in the chat box. Okay, everyone will write their answer in the chat box. No one will speak. Okay, now the first statement is we should brush our teeth twice daily. We should brush our teeth twice daily. Let me see in the chat box answers. You can say yes or no. Say yes or no. Okay, Bhavish Shetty, very good. Loha is saying yes, Ayansh is saying yes, Shifa is saying yes. Yes. What about others? Sanchita, Arnav, Advi, Panvi, yes. Very good, children, very good. Now next is, we should wash our hair only when we see a lice in it. मतलब अगर हम बालों में अगर जुए अगर दिखे तभी हमें बाल धोने हैं. We should wash our hair only when we see a lice in it. Is it correct or not? अगर correct है तो yes, अगर correct है तो no. ठीक है? Correct नहीं है तो no. Let me see in the chat box. Bhavish, Khurshad, Shifa, Sarthak, Ayansh, Sanchita, Vrunda, you all are saying no. Why you are saying no? I will ask this to Khurshad. Khurshad, can you tell me, आप no क्यों बोल रहे हो?
मैम डेली सर धोना चाहिए.
डेली धोना चाहिए या हफ्ते में एटलीस्ट 2 बार तो धोने ही चाहिए, ठीक है। अगर आप रोज नहीं धो सकते तो एटलीस्ट यू कैन वॉश ट्वाइस इन अ वीक, हफ्ते में 2 बार आपको बाल धोने हैं, ठीक है। वी शुड टेक शावर एवरी डे, रोज हमें शावर मतलब रोज बात करना है, राइट। वी शुड टेक शावर एवरी डे। शावर मतलब इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको शावर के नीचे ही खड़ा रहना है, you can say we can take a bath every day. Can I see the answers in the chat box? Bath, yes, correct. Shivraj, why are you saying no? शिवराज, आपने नो क्यों बोला? Why did you say no, Shivraj? Okay, and the last statement is we should never wash our hands after the meal. We should never wash our hands आफ्टर द मिल, मतलब खाना खाने के बाद, मिल्स मतलब खाने के बाद, ठीक है। कुछ हम खाते हैं तो उसे मिल्स कहते हैं, लंच डिनर, ओके। तो खाने के बाद वी शुड नॉट वॉश आवर हैंड्स, हमें हाथ नहीं धोने हैं। लेट मी सी द आंसर्स। नो, नो, दोहा, मनस्वी, शिफा, सार्थक, नीलराज, you all are saying no. Why, children? I want the answer from Doha. Doha, can you tell me क्यों आप नो?
खाना खाने के बाद
खाने से पहले हाथ धोना चाहिए।
खाने से पहले हाथ धोने चाहिए।
खाने से पहले हाथ धोने चाहिए और खाने के बाद नहीं धोने चाहिए।
धोने चाहिए।
धोने चाहिए ना, बिकॉज हम खाना खाते तो हमारे हाथ में भी सब लगता है ना खाना, सो वी शुड वॉश आवर हैंड्स, राइट? यस। बोलो दोहा।
हाथ में लगा रहता है इसलिए।
यस, यस, हमारे हाथ में खाना लगा हुआ रहता है तो वी हैव टू वॉश आवर हैंड्स आफ्टर वी ईट आवर मील्स। वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन, वेरी गुड। नाउ सीक्वेंस द पिक्चर्स इन द ऑर्डर ऑफ 1 to 4। ये 4 पिक्चर्स है, यू हैव टू लुक एट द पिक्चर केयरफुली। आपको अभी नोटबुक में आपके ऐसे 4 बॉक्सेस करने हैं और फर्स्ट यू हैव टू लुक एट द पिक्चर। ये बॉक्स में कौन सा नंबर आएगा, ये बॉक्स में कौन सा नंबर आएगा, ये बॉक्स में which number will come in this box. Okay, so you can see a boy is playing and then just look at the pictures और इसको sequence करना है। You are supposed to sequence, order में लिख करने हैं आपको वो, correct order, place correct order in it. You have to put number 1 to 4. You have to put number 1 to 4. Look at the picture and sequence में आपको करना है। The boy is playing, right? Then what happens? What should come next? कौन सा पिक्चर पहले आना चाहिए, कौन सा पिक्चर बाद में, उसके बाद में कौन सा पिक्चर और एंड में कौन सा पिक्चर होना चाहिए। So you have to write the numbers under that.
Which number?
ड्रॉ नहीं करना है बेटा, आपको ड्रॉ नहीं करना है। You will just drop 4 boxes like this and then you will write a number in it.
पहला, दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा।
हाँ, तो ये आपको नंबर्स लिखने हैं। पहला नंबर कौन सा होगा पे, ठीक है, दूसरा नंबर कौन सा होगा, सो ओनली नंबर्स यू विल राइट।
किचन में रहा।
Very good, Bhavesh. So you have to draw the boxes. ये बॉक्स में कौन सा नंबर आएगा, ये बॉक्स में कौन सा नंबर आएगा, ये बॉक्स में कौन सा और ये बॉक्स में कौन सा, ठीक है, that you will draw. So you tell me, children, what could be the first picture? ठीक है, now Bhavesh, you have finished. तो आप मुझे बताएंगे नंबर 1 कौन सा पिक्चर होगा?
हैंड वॉश।
Hand wash.
प्लेइंग।
Playing. Very good. So playing will be number 1. Okay. उसके बाद में कौन सा होगा?
हाँ दूसरा
हैंड वॉश।
Hand wash. Washing hands. Okay. So
Done.
then what will be the next picture? Third number कौन सा होगा?
चालू केलं, मग साबण लावला, झाला त्यानंतर जेवायला बसला.
Drying hands. ठीक है. So drying hand will be my number 3. Okay. And then at the end the child is eating. So that will be number eating. Yes. Understand this series how you are supposed to sequence. ऐसे आपको सीक्वेंस करना होता है. पहले आप पिक्चर्स देखेंगे. Look at the pictures. क्या लिखा है वो पढ़ेंगे. And then you will take a sequence of this picture. Okay?
आज सुभद्रा का बर्थडे है।
Now let's see this. Okay, now let's see this. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. You have to look at the picture and you have to read this sentence. ठीक है, look at these pictures. यहाँ पे pictures दिए हैं. Bird, hanky, toothbrush. ठीक है, and here it is asked, we clean our hands with. We clean our hands with. So you will write the answer. चलो, आंसर लिखो. ये ऑप्शंस में से आप कौन से ऑप्शन चूज करेंगे? We clean our hands with. We clean our hands with. What will be the options? इन 3 ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा ऑप्शन यहाँ पे आएगा?
हैंकी।
Yes. So you will write the spelling of hanky. Here the hanky spelling is written, right? So you will write it here in the blank space. You will write the whole sentence. We clean our hands with hanky.
नेल कटर।
Please wait. You have to wait.
टूथब्रश। नेल कटर।
Next is Didi is reading. Okay. We can keep our nails healthy and clean with. Look at the pictures and write the spelling here. Look at the picture, see the spelling, read the spelling, and write it here in this blank space. We can keep our nails healthy and clean with. No one will speak now. You all will write.
नेल कटर।
You will write your answer in the chat in your book. Book में लिखना है आपको.
मैम मैम क्या लिखना है? मैम मैम
You have to write this sentence. We can keep our nails healthy and clean with, and you have to look at these pictures, write the correct spellings, correct option here. Okay, I can see one done, one is raising hand. Okay, should we move ahead? Should we move further? Now next. Next in this picture, you have to match the action with
मैम मेरा नहीं हुआ।
बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ेगा, बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करते हैं, बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए ना।
मैम मेरा नहीं मैम मेरा नहीं हुआ। नहीं हुआ। Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Now look at this picture. Okay, you have to see these are the things which we use for good habits, and you have to see at which part of body or how we use these things. Okay, now for example, this is, what is this? This is a comb or a brush, hair brush. So where do we use this hair brush? कहाँ पे use करते हैं हम, for what purpose? That you will match.
Here.
Here,
के लिए
just a second. Wait. No one will unmute.
ओम मालूम है Here.
This is a hair comb. This is a toothbrush. What is this? This is a soap. This is tissue paper. Okay, this is a tissue paper. This is nail cutter. And this, even Didi also can't understand what is this. But there are 6 pictures here and 5 pictures here. ठीक है? तो एक जो picture है इनमें से एक extra है. Okay? This is a string, I think. ये string है, floss है, floss. Oral floss, ठीक है? So just tell me what do we use these things for what purpose? ठीक है? कहाँ पे use करते हैं हम? If I say, for example, I will just do one example for you. अगर मैंने ये लिया, just a second, हाँ? Okay, if I say this is a brush, hair brush, okay? So I use hair brush for my hair.
हेअर ब्रशला एरो करायची म्हणजे जोडा लावायची
ठीक आहे?
टीचर
Now this is what? Toothbrush. So toothbrush में यहाँ पे कहाँ पे use करूँगी? So that you will match it. Okay? Teeth में match it with your teeth. Okay? So you will match it with your teeth.
ये लवकर लवकर ये मऊ
दौड़ में
मैम बॉडी को
Yes, body को soap, right.
मैम टिश्यू पेपर रोल
Tissue paper for what?
नोट्स
Nose. Very good, very good. If you are having a running nose, if you are coughing or sneezing, right, you use
नेल हैक मैम soap body clean
very good,
to body
very good, very good, very good.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम मुझे ड्राइंग नहीं कर
ठीक है बेटा, आपको ड्रॉ नहीं करना आता है, then you can write just simply numbers. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here you can write alphabet A, B, C, D, E. Okay? A, B, C, D, E. Okay? ठीक है? You can write your numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here A, B, C, D, E. Yes. Okay, done. Are you done with your work?
done
Okay, okay. Just 1 more minute I am giving you to finish your work, okay?
nail cutter finger
Very good, very good. Nail cutter for nails, okay? Nails. And our nails come where? In our hand. So you have to match it.
napkin nose
Very good, very good. Smart class, huh? Okay, so this was all for today, children. We have done revision of personal hygiene, okay? We did revision of personal hygiene. I hope you all have understood. सबको समझ में आया? Show me thumbs up. And you have enjoyed the activities and the worksheet which you all solved today on your own. Huh? Very good, children. Thank you.